The Sage Dose Control Pro takes your favorite style of coffee at home to the next level. With various grind settings for a range of brewing methods, you can use the Dose Control Pro to make the brew you love most. From espresso to percolator, drip or plunger coffee, it's at your fingertips. Before you get your grind on, let's prep your machine. Lay the box on its side and use the flap to slide the machine out. Remove the grinder from its box and safely discard all labels and packing materials. In warm water, wash the cradles. Dry them thoroughly. Next, using a soft damp cloth, wipe down the bean hopper and lid, as well as the machine's exterior surface. Done. Ensure your grinder is on a level, flat surface and plugged into a 240-volt outlet. Now to assemble your grinder. Take the bean hopper, align the tabs on its base and insert it into position. Holding the hopper, press down firmly and turn the bean hopper dial 45 degrees clockwise to lock it into position. A click sound will be heard when the hopper is correctly in place. Time for the beans. We recommend buying freshly roasted beans to ensure you enjoy third wave specialty coffee at home. Pour them in and secure the lid. When you want to remove the bean hopper, simply hold and turn the lock counterclockwise. Next, lift the hopper to remove it. If you're not planning to grind beans regularly, you should store them in an airtight container rather than the hopper for optimum freshness. The handy locking system on the hopper means you can remove and transfer beans in and out of the hopper and into an airtight storage container with ease. Because each brew type requires a different grind size to optimize extraction, you'll want to adjust the grind settings accordingly. The grind size collar displays the finest setting, which is perfect for espresso, to the coarsest, which is ideal for plunger. With the machine's precise grinding capabilities, it becomes easy to find the right zone for your preferred coffee style and taste. Here is the Start Cancel, which starts, pauses, and cancels operation. The grind time dial adjusts your dose. Increasing the time increases the dose, and vice versa. And that's it. You're all set to grind your first batch of fresh coffee beans to suit whatever cup of deliciousness you've got in mind.